6-phase half-wave rectifier. In this type of rectifier, first 3-phase is converted into 6-phase. Now it can be achieved by using delta center tap star connection. For that, all the central tapping of the secondary windings is connected together. Now, as shown in this figure, the primary winding of transformer is connected in the delta and the secondary winding connection in the center tap star connection. Now, all the cathodes of diode D1, D2, D3, D4, D5, 6 are connected together or connected together, which forms a positive terminal of the DC supply. Now, the central tapping, the central point of secondary winding is a negative terminal for the DC supply. Now, let me see the working principle. Now, here the phase difference between R and R dash is 180 degree. That means R and R dash are 180 degree apart to each other. So at point A, the Y dash, at point A, the voltage of Phi dash becomes maximum in compared to another phase. Therefore, diode D6 is conducted and current flow from Y dash winding to D6 and load resistance and the central point of the secondary winding. Now, for similarly, at instant B, here you can see the voltage of the R phase is maximum with respect to other phases. So, it will conduct diode D1. So, during this period, current flows from R phase to diode D1 to the load resistance to the central point of the secondary winding. Similarly, at point C, here you can see the voltage of B dash phase is maximum in compared to all other phases. So it will conduct diode D2. So current flow from B dash to diode D2 to load resistance to the central point of the secondary winding. Similarly, you can see at this instant diode D3 conduct, then D4, D5, D6. Then again it's repeat, diode D1 conduct, D2, D3, D4 respectively. Let me see the different features of this type of rectifier. First, only one diode can conduct at any angle. So each diode conduct during the positive half cycle. That's why it is called half wave rectifier. Each diode is conduct for 60 degree period. The ripple factor is 4% and the ripple frequency is 6F, where F is the supply frequency. Now, rectification efficiency of this type rectifier is 99.8%. And output voltage EDC is equal to 1.35 E. So peak inverse voltage is equal to 2 EM. So is equal to 2.09 EDC. So the average value of diode current is IDC by 6. And there is no DC saturation occurs in the secondary winding because opposite current passing through the half of each winding.